Welcome to the ICSE Class 10 Maths tutorial. The topic is straight lines. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की कुछ लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, हाल गम उनको सुनाते जाइए, हाल गम उनको सुनाते जाइए, शर्त ये है मुस्कुराते जाइए, शर्त ये है मुस्कुराते जाइए. शुक्रिया लुत्फे मुसलसल का मगर, लुत्फे मुसलसल मेहरबानी का सिलसिला, गाहे गाहे कभी कभी. शुक्रिया लुत्फे मुसलसल का मगर, गाहे गाहे दिल दुखाते जाइए, गाहे गाहे दिल दुखाते जाइए. दुश्मनों से प्यार होता जाएगा, दुश्मनों से प्यार होता जाएगा, दोस्तों को आजमाते जाइए, दोस्तों को आजमाते जाइए. थैंक यू. Okay, so let's come to the point. The topic is straight lines. This is part 1. In this video, part 1, I'm going to tell you some important points. Point wise, one by one. Alright, so let's see. The first point is, we'll be talking about x-axis, y-axis, etc. So let's see the equation of x-axis, the equation of y-axis. X is equal to a, which type of line it is, x, y is equal to b, etc., etc. So the first point is what is the equation of x-axis? X-axis means this line, this horizontal line, x-axis. This is y-axis. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Why? Because wherever you are on the x-axis, y is 0. Y you will get when you go above x-axis or below x-axis. As long as you are on the x-axis, y is 0. Y is 0. Alright, that is why the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. Okay. Now, second point. Now, what is the equation of y-axis? Y-axis means this line, this line. What is the equation of this line? On this line, x will be 0 because you will get x when you move to the right of the origin or to the left of the origin. Neither we are moving to the right of the origin nor to the left of the origin. We are on this line. Alright, therefore, the equation of y-axis, this line y-axis will be x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. Fine. Okay. Now third point is, what is the slope of a line? Any line. Suppose this is a line. Suppose here is a line. So what is the slope of the line? Suppose this is a line. This is a line in red. What is the slope of the line? Okay. Now, slope of the line, three formulas I'll be giving you in different situations. First, when theta is given, when the inclination of this line with the x-axis is given, this angle is theta given. This is theta. This angle is theta. We say that the line, this line is making an angle of theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Alright, theta, inclination is theta. If theta is given, then we find out the slope of this line, m, we call it m, and m is equal to, we write down, m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta. So theta will be given to you. For example, suppose theta is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, whatever that value you put here, and then you get the value of m. M is the slope of the line. M, small m, we use to represent the slope of the line. So m is equal to tan theta. This formula you will be using when theta is given. If theta is given, directly you substitute here. For example, theta is equal to suppose 30 degree. In a particular case, theta is equal to 30 degree. So you write m is equal to tan 30. So you write then m is equal to tan 30. Alright. Tan 30 or tan 45. Suppose theta is 45. Tan 45. Theta is 45. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. So in this case, m is equal to 1. Alright. The second way to find out, the second situation is when 2 points are given. The coordinates of 2 points. 2 points are there on the line. Suppose one point is here, we call it P. Another point is here somewhere and we call it Q. And the coordinates of these 2 points are given. Coordinates are given. Coordinates are given. Coordinates are given. Suppose this is x1, y1, x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, x2, y2. Alright, x2, y2. The coordinates are given. In this situation, we will be using this formula. Alright, so I'm calling this number 3 only. Under this number 3, third point, I am giving you 3 formulas. One is this, m is equal to tan theta, and the second one is this. Second one is this. The next situation is, second situation is, m is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the formula, second formula. This will be using when 2 points are given. When 2 points on the line are given, the coordinates are given. In that case, we'll be using this formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. There is a third situation also when a line is given, the equation of a line is given. This is the third situation. Any line is given. In that case, suppose a line is given x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to 3. And then you have to find out the slope of this line. So directly you can find out the slope of this line. And that slope you can write down m is equal to minus the coefficient of x upon the coefficient of y. Upon the coefficient of y. And what is the coefficient? Here the coefficient of x is 1 and here the coefficient of y is 2. So minus the coefficient of x means in this case, if you want to find out the slope of this line, alright, so in this case you will write down minus the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is 2. So minus 1 by 2 directly you can find out. Alright, there is another way also that I will be teaching you. We will see that in the later part. In next videos, we can convert this in a particular form of the equation of a line and then directly we can find out the slope of the line. Alright. So okay, that is different thing. So here I told you to find out the slope of a line, 3 methods, 3 ways. Alright, 3 situations. One, when theta is given. Second, when 2 points are given. Third, when a line is given and then you have to find out the slope of the line. Is that fine? Okay, now next point is equation of a line of this form. So that means this will be our point number 4. Point number 4. Now, any line, if given in this form, suppose x is equal to a in general. In general, x is equal to a. In particular, suppose x is equal to 4, x equal to 3, x equal to 2. Suppose x is equal to 2, like this. This is the general. In general, x is equal to a. Which type of equation is this? X is equal to, in particular, x equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3. Alright. So x is equal to, first let me tell you about x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the equation of a line. X is equal to 2 is, can I show you here only? Okay, let me make another diagram. X is equal to 2 is the equation of a line x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin, this is negative x, and this is negative y dash. Alright, fine. Now we are going to talk about the line whose equation is x is equal to a. First let me talk about x is equal to 2, and then I'll explain to you the general form x is equal to a. X is equal to 2. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 1, 2, 3 this side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Alright. This is minus 3, this is minus 2, this will be minus 1, like that. Okay. Now x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the line which passes through this point and which is parallel to y-axis. So this is our line. This is the line. This is the line. This is x is equal to 2. This line is x is equal to 2. That means x is equal to 2 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis. The parallel which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 2 units from y-axis or from origin. X is equal to 2 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis, they are parallel to y-axis, and at a distance of 2 units from the y-axis or from the origin. You can say this distance is 2 units. 2 units. They are parallel, no? So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, 2 units. Parallel lines. Okay, now if I change the question and if I ask you, tell me about the equation of a line, if the equation is x is equal to minus 3, then how will you draw the line? X is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is here. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 3. So in that case, your line will be this. X is equal to minus 3. This is your line. X is equal to minus 3. This is the line. This is x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. Got it? Clear? X is equal to minus and 3. X is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis. There also it was parallel to y-axis. Here also, whenever it is x is equal to, the line will be parallel to y-axis. So x is equal to minus 3 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 3 units from the y-axis or from the origin and to the left of the origin because it is minus 3 and to the left of the origin. I hope clear. Right. Now in general, if we say what is x is equal to a, so x is equal to a is the equation of a line which is again parallel to y-axis and at a distance of a unit. We don't know a is how much, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. In general, a unit. So at a distance of a unit from the y-axis. So x is equal to a is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of a unit from y-axis or from the origin. I hope these points are very, very clear. Okay, so after this, the next point is equation of a line y is equal to b. Y is equal to b. So that and the rest of the points we'll discuss in next video. I hope these important points, though they are very simple, but they are very, very important points. I hope all these points are very, very clear. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.